It was a bright Saturday morning. Sun was shining, the birds were singing, and a cool breeze blew through the trees. 12-year-old Ahmed woke up early with a smile on his face. Today was a special day because his family had planned a picnic at the city park. Ahmed quickly got out of bed, brushed his teeth, and helped his mother prepare for the trip. She packed delicious sandwiches, chicken rolls, fresh fruit, biscuits, and bottles of cold juice. Ahmed's younger sister, Aisal, carefully placed colorful paper cups and plates into a picnic basket. Their father checked everything before leaving the house. Does everyone have a hat? He asked. Yes, everyone replied together. And don't forget the football, Ahmed reminded his father. His father laughed. I almost forgot. Thanks. Soon, the family got into their car and drove toward the park. Along the way, they enjoyed looking at the busy streets, green trees, and colorful flowers beside the road. They even saw a family of ducks crossing a small stream near the park entrance. When they arrived, they found a nice shady spot under a large tree. The grass was soft, and children were already playing nearby. Some families were flying kites, while others were riding bicycles or enjoying quiet walks. Ahmed and Isa spread a large picnic blanket on the grass while their parents unpacked the food. This is the perfect place, their mother said with a smile. Before eating, the family decided to explore the park. They walked along a winding path surrounded by tall trees. Butterflies fluttered from flower to flower, and colorful birds chirped happily above them. Isa suddenly pointed toward a small pond. Look, there are ducks swimming. The family stopped to watch the ducks glide across the water. One little duckling tried to follow its mother, but kept swimming in circles. Everyone laughed gently at the funny sight. Nearby, an old gardener was watering beautiful flowers. Ahmed walked over politely. Your flowers are amazing, Ahmed said. The gardener smiled warmly. Thank you. Flowers grow best when people care for them every day. Ahmed remembered those words. He realized that success, like flowers, grows with patience and care. After their walk, the family returned to their picnic blanket. Everyone washed their hands and enjoyed the delicious lunch together. The sandwiches are delicious, Ahmed said happily, and these mangoes are so sweet. Isa added. After lunch, it was time for games. Ahmed and his father played football on the open field. They passed the ball back and forth while laughing together. Isa joined them after a few minutes, trying her best to score a goal. She shouted excitedly after kicking the ball between two backpacks they used as goalposts. Everyone clapped and cheered. Later, the family played a game of hide and seek among the trees. Ahmed counted loudly while everyone else found hiding places. Ready or not, here I come. He searched behind benches, bushes, and playground equipment. Finally, he found Isa hiding behind a large tree, trying not to laugh. You found me. She giggled. As the afternoon became warmer, they decided to visit the playground. Ahmed climbed the rope bridge, while Isa enjoyed the swings. Their parents watched happily from a nearby bench. Suddenly, Ahmed noticed a little boy looking worried. What's wrong? Ahmed asked kindly. I can't find my toy car, the little boy said sadly. Ahmed looked around the playground. After searching for several minutes, he spotted a small red toy car under a bench. Is this yours? The little boy's face lit up with joy. Yes. Thank you so much. His mother thanked Ahmed for his kindness. You made my son's day, she said. Ahmed smiled. Helping someone made him feel happier than winning any game. As the afternoon continued, the family rested under the tree. Their father told funny stories from his childhood. When I was your age, began, I once climbed a mango tree, but couldn't get down. What happened? Isa asked. With wide eyes, my father had to bring a ladder. Everyone burst into laughter. After resting, they enjoyed fruit, biscuits, and cold juice. The gentle breeze made the weather pleasant, and the leaves rustled softly above them. Before leaving, Ahmed noticed a few empty bottles and snack wrappers lying on the grass. Some visitors had forgotten to throw them away.